In spoken English, the words get, got, and gotten come from frequently. These words can have multiple meanings depending on the context, making them a bit confusing for English learners. However, mastering their usage can help you sound more fluent and natural. In today's lecture, we will break down the meanings, uses, and examples of get, got, and gotten, focusing on how to use them in real life conversations. Now we just learned the basics of get, got, and gotten. Get. This is the base form and is used in the present tense. Got. This is the past tense of get and can also be used as the past participle in British English. Gotten. This is mostly used in American English as the past participle of get, while British English primarily uses got. Different uses of get in spoken English. Get. To mean receive or obtain. Examples: I'll get some coffee. I'll obtain coffee. Did you get my message? Did you receive my message? Get to indicate becoming or changing state. Examples: it's getting cold. It's becoming cold. She got angry when she heard the news. She became angry. Get to mean arrive. Examples: I usually get home around 6 p.m. I arrive home. When did you get here? When did you arrive? Get as an alternative to understand. Examples: I don't get it. I don't understand it. Do you get what I'm saying? Do you understand what I'm saying? Now we are going to learn how to use got in spoken English. Got is the past tense of get, receiving or obtaining. Examples: I got a gift from a friend. I received a gift. Did you get any help? Did you receive any help? Got to show possession, common in British English. Examples: I have got a new car. I have a new car. He has got two sisters. He has two sisters. Got in casual conversations. Examples: I gotta go now. I have to go now. We got no choice but to try. We have no choice but to try. Using gotten in spoken English, mostly in American English. In American English, gotten is the past participle of get. It's used when talking about experiences, achievements, or situations that developed over time. Gotten for experiences or accomplishments. Examples: she has gotten better at dancing. She has improved over time. They have gotten more comfortable speaking in public. They have become more comfortable. Gotten for gradual changes or effects. Examples: the situation has gotten worse. The situation has become worse. I have gotten used to the cold weather. I have gradually become accustomed. Gotten versus got in American versus British English. In British English, got is often used where Americans would use gotten. British: she's got better at her job. In American, she's gotten better at her job. Now we are going to learn phrasal verbs with get and their meanings. Get is commonly used in phrasal verbs, which can change its meaning entirely. Here are a few examples and their meanings. Get up. To rise from bed. Example: I get up at 7 a.m. every day. Get along. To have a good relationship. Example: they get along very well. Get over. To recover from something. Example: she finally got over her illness. Get away. To escape or leave. Example: they managed to get away from the crowded city. Now we are going to learn common expressions with get. Here are some popular expressions and idioms with get that you will often hear in conversations. Get the hang of it. To learn how to do something. For example, don't worry, you will get the hang of it soon. Get a move on. To hurry up. Example: we need to get a move on if we want to make it on time. Get your act together. To organize oneself to meet a challenge. Example: you should get your act together before the exams. Get out a fan. To become uncontrollable. Example: the party got out of hand when too many people showed up. Using get, got, and gotten correctly will help you sound more natural and confident in English conversations. These words are versatile and common in spoken English. So don't be afraid to use them. Keep practicing with real life examples and soon it will become second nature. Thank you for watching this